Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the timer knob cap on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the cap is missing or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So right here is our timer knob cap. It's this piece that's inside of the knob itself. So this piece actually comes apart, it's not all one piece. In order to get this cap out, if you got a little bit of a fingernail, you can just stick that in there and pop it out. If you've got really short fingernails and you can't do that, then you could just use a flathead screwdriver, get that in there and pop it out. But that just comes right out like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement timer knob cap. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So if you just take a look inside of here, you'll see that there are 4 little slots right there, and that'll match up. You've got 4 tabs on the back of the cap. So all you're going to want to do is just line up the slots with the cap and slide it in, and it pops back into place, and you're good as new. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.